throughout the entire ride, keeping all of your hands and arms exposed to seat inside of the train. Please also do not eat, drink, smoke, or vape while on the train. Keeping all of that in mind, please sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride. To your left, to your right, the bus to our delivery house. The second tallest roller coaster here in King Island, and it's pretty early. If you plan on checking it out later today, keep in mind that there's a minimum height requirement of 54 inches for each and every rider.
Looks different from here.
Yeah, you want to know?
Absolutely. Was it for that rider?
Coming up on your right are the Wooden Hill Bus. This is one of our many wooden roller coasters here at Kings Island, and it contributes to our world record for the most wooden roller coaster tracks in any amusement park. This falls into the presence of the Skipper's, the Beast, both songs of the Racers, and the Woodstock Express.
I heard.
Also coming up on your right is the back of our bar engine house. That's where we keep our trains when they are not running. Currently, our green train is in there, giving a well-deserved rest.
When? We will not be making a stop here today as our water park is not yet open for the season. However, our water park does open up Memorial Day weekend. Totally tubular. that makes him a gummy bear. And as we round this corner on your left, you'll start seeing our western town, including our horse. He's named after the Cincinnati Bengals' own Joe Burrow. His name is Burrow. Then on to your right, you'll be able to see the front of our engine house, support track for the wooden roller coaster Mystic Victory, and the turntable station for Whitewater Canyon, which also opens up Memorial Day weekend. And now, whistle means that we're almost back to the Rivertown train station. And also means I get to repeat just a few of those safety reminders again. Please continue to remain seated and still keep all of those hands, arms, legs, and feet inside of the train. As soon as this train does come to a full and complete stop, you'll hear one loud whistle from our engineer.